Hello my dear students, how are you all? Welcome to Diksha Vedantu Foundation YouTube channel. I hope all of you are doing good. Today is the revision day, bacha. We are revising today the mode and the probability. Why only mode, sir? Why not mean and median? It was already done, bacha, in the previous week's revision session. Okay, so this week we have done only mode and the probability chapter. That's why I will revise only these two parts. Okay, and after this quick revision of these two topics, we'll move on to the mocks. Okay, in the coming session. So I hope you're prepared for that. Yes. So let's get a pen and paper out. Whenever you have to write some formulas, write it quickly. Okay, if you want to pause the video and solve the question from your side. Okay, yes, I have taken some questions as well. I'm going to revise the concepts of mode and the probability, but because you can see that now the concept will not be that much. Okay, even the probability we have only one formula this year, so one thing will be there, and mode will learn how to find the mode for the grouped and ungrouped data quickly. So simple concepts are there, bacha, but again I've taken some questions to help you revise the concepts. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Let's start the session, bacha, now. So we have first is mode. What is mode, sir? As we know, mode is a measure of central tendency. As we have for mean and median, we also have the third kind as mode. Okay, how do we define and find the mode in particular? So mode, bacha, will be a data, whatever data you have, whether it is ungrouped or grouped, which is having highest frequency, So in the case of discrete data, we write simply the whatever is occurring maximum number of times as the mode. Correct, now whatever is occurring, let's say I have data like 3, 7, 7, 4, 5 like that. So 7 is coming 2 times, just for example 3, 7. Let me just write it over here. Okay, let's say I have a data like this: 3, 7, 7, okay, 4, 5, okay, or 12. We have this data. Okay, what is the mode over here, bacha? Mode is simply 7, sir. Mode is simply 7. How come? Maximum frequency. Maximum frequency, whatever data has the maximum frequency, that's called as mode, right? Which is occurring the maximum number of times. Simplified manner, we can say that occurring the maximum number of times, that particular data is called as modal data or mode value of that given data distribution. Okay, now after this we have for group data. In that case, bacha, we'll have the highest frequency. Of course, we'll not get the modal data directly, we'll get modal class. From there we use certain formula to help us find the the value of the mode for the given group data. So simply for mode of discrete data, we write, bacha, so data with highest or max frequency, Okay, so whatever is the example, okay, I can take like this: 2, 2, 4, 3, 7, 8, 9, 12, 12, 12, 11, 17, 13. Okay, if I group this data, check this out: 2 is coming 2 times. Okay, now we have, bacha, so next what is it? We have 3 is coming 1 time, the frequency. 3 is coming 1 time. We have 4 is coming 1 time. We have next is 7 is coming 1 time. We have next is 8 is coming 1 time. 9 is coming 1 time. Okay, we have 11 is coming 1 time. 12 is coming 3 times. 17 is coming, okay, before that we have 13, so 1 time, and 17 is coming again 1 time. Okay, so if you check this out, the frequency is max over here. So we call, what is the mode? Will the mode be 3? No, the data which is having the maximum frequency. So what is the mode, bacha? The mode will be simply 12. Okay, now what if we are dealing with group data? Then we have a formula for mode. Okay, given by, have a look. So mode is given by, bacha, what? L plus h times of f1 minus f0 upon twice of f1 minus f0 minus f2. What is L, sir? L is the lower limit of the modal class. F1 is the frequency of the modal class. L is the lower limit of modal class. How do we find it? Don't worry, we'll let you know that as well when I've taken a question like that to help you understand the formula. Okay, so L is like lower limit of the modal class. Next, what, bacha? H is the class size. Okay, what is F1, sir? F1 is the frequency of modal class, of course. And what is f naught, sir? Frequency of the class before modal class. Okay, before modal class, sir. What about f2 bacha? Same way, frequency of the class after modal class. We use this formula given here like this to get the result for finding the mode bacha. Okay, so L plus H times of f1 minus f0, okay, upon 2 f1 minus f0 minus f2. I hope this is visible. If not, I'll rewrite that part. f0 is a little confusing to see. f1 minus f0 minus f2. Okay, twice of f1 minus f0 minus f2 is what written over there. Okay, so let's take an example on the group data and solve it quickly. We have find the mode of the following frequency distribution. 0 to 10, 10 to 20 is the classes given like that. So let's quickly, do we need to write the table, bacha? We don't. Now we already have everything. We need, what is it we need in solving of mode for the group data? We need class intervals and we need the frequency. That is already given, class interval and the frequency. Okay, so let me write the formula quickly. The formula for the mode, as we wrote in the previous slide, we had L plus H times of f1 minus f0 upon twice of f1 minus f0 minus f2. Now check carefully. What is L bacha first? L is the definition from the lower limit from the modal class. So what is the modal class? To find modal class, we have to look for highest frequency. So highest frequency is where, bacha? It's here, 16. This is the highest frequency, right? So I'll write here my modal class would be the class respect to that frequency. So 30 to 40, 30 to 40. Now I can write all the values. So L, sir, 30. Lower limit of the modal class. What about H, bacha? Class size 10 here, 10 here, 10 here. Check this, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, like that. Class size is 10. What about F1? F1 is the frequency of the modal class. So 16, same value. F0 is the frequency of the class before modal class. So before modal class, this is the class. What is the frequency? 10. F2, frequency of the class after modal class. After modal class, 40 to 50, frequency is 12. Now use it in the formula. So my mode value will turn out to be L. So we have 30 plus H is 10, bracket will come. F1 is 16 minus 10, right? F1 minus F0 divided by 2, so twice of 16. How much is that? 32, twice of 16, right? So 32 minus 10 minus 12. Correct. Now F0 is 10, F2 is 12. This side, let's quickly resolve it. Mode will be 30 plus 10. Numerator will be, bacha, what? 6. Over here, what is the denominator? 32 minus 10, 22 minus 12. So 10 again. Correct, na? 32 minus 10 is 22. Minus 12 will be again 10. Cancel this. Okay, what I'm getting, sir? 30 plus 6. So 36 is the mode of the given frequency distribution table. Okay, chaliye, have a look. 36 is the mode value, bacha. This is how you apply the formula. This question was simple problem. I just took it to help you understand and how to apply the formula, because what happens na, mode formula sometimes becomes very confusing for people. Okay, that's why I've tried to take an example, simple example, to explain you just the formula part, how to apply, how to get the data. So first thing is, the most important step is to find the modal class, or how you find that? By using the highest frequency in the given frequency table. Sometimes what happens now, they will not give you frequency, they'll give you cumulative frequency. From there you have to find the frequency. You can't use cumulative frequency, you have to use frequency only. Okay, so question number 1 is done. Question number 2. So before I move to that, let me teach you a little bit about probability. What is probability, sir? As the name suggests, the chances of an event to occur. Okay, for any sample space which is given, or for any event which is given, let's say a coin toss, or we are throwing a dice, whatever it is, what are the chances of getting certain event? For example, chance of getting a 6 in a die. I have total outcome of die 1 2 3 4 5 6 chances of getting a 6. How many chances, bacha? So we have few things over here. Sample space where we write all the outcomes like this. We also need to write total number of outcomes. How much is that, bacha? Is 6. We also have next, bacha, favorable outcome. How much is that? Let's say we are looking to get only for 6, right? What is the answer, bacha? 6 here. Okay, so if I write here, the difference is there. Okay, let me just write this as number of favorable, one second, might be confusing, number of favorable outcomes. How much is that? 1. Okay, check this out. What is favorable outcome, bacha? 6. This means we are looking to get a 6. Okay, getting a 6. Okay, this is the probability. Okay, not the probability, this is a favorable outcome, 6. This is the 6th number of events is 6, bacha. 1 2 3 4 5. So this is 6. What is it, bacha? This is the outcome, probability of getting a 6. So if you're looking at probability, bacha, write what's the probability of getting a 6. Okay, when a die is thrown. Okay, what do we write, bacha? So number of outcome will be, favorable outcome is 1 divided by 6, sir. Okay, so probability formula is given by, probability of an event E is given by, sir, what, bacha? Is given by number of favorable outcomes. Remember this, number of favorable outcome, not just the outcomes. Number of favorable outcome divided by total number of outcomes. I hope this is clear. Number of favorable outcome divided by total number of outcome is the formula for probability. One more important thing, for a sure event, means for a sure event. Okay, sure means what, sir? Universal truths. For a sure event, probability is, bacha, always 1. Probability can never be equal to a negative value. Can never be equal to a negative value. Probability is never negative. It is always, so few points to add here. Always, for sure event, always 1. It can never be negative. Okay, second point is this. Third point, bacha, probability of an impossible event. Impossible event is always 0. We can't, that event cannot occur, right? It means impossible. For the example, for that case, we have probability as 0. Great. What next, bacha? Number 4, we have one more thing. Yeah, probability of the event to occur is PE. Probability of the event to occur is PE, and you add probability of the event to not occur is PE dash. Correct, na? P is the event to occur and P dash is the event not to occur. We also write sometime as P bar. Okay, whichever is your choice, is always 1. Is always 1. Probability of the event to occur and not to occur will always be, what? 1. Okay, so simply we can write this as PE, like this I'm saying, bar or dash, equals to 1 minus probability of the event to occur. Means chances of the event to not occur is basically chances of the event occur, 1 minus chances of the event to occur. For example, so let's say a student, chances of a student getting to school is 80%, okay, and not getting to school is what? 20%. Let's say 0.8 is the value for him or her to go to school, and 0.2 is what? For her to miss the school. Okay, so not to go school is basically 1 minus whatever the probability of chances of getting to the school. Okay, so if you can take any example like that, right? Any example, any probability that you're looking for, okay, will be like that. For example, chances of getting a 6 is 1 by 6, right? Over here, chance of not getting a 6 will be what, bacha? 5 by 6. Getting a 6 is 1 by 6, not getting a 6 is 5 by 6. I hope this is clear. Chaliye, this is the understanding of probability that you have for this year. Okay, you don't have much in detail. Now I have a very important announcement to make for all of you, for all 10th graders who are struggling with this decision that what to do after 10th grade. Sir, what is coming after 10th grade for all of us? What is the right subject to choose? People choose, just maths because they don't like other subjects. Let's say they don't like bio, so they choose maths. They don't like maths, so they choose bio. Okay, they don't like science at all, so they choose commerce. That's not the right way to make a decision, bacha. The right way to make any decision is knowing everything that is about to know about the subject. Okay, whether you have interest or not, what is the reason for the interest, is it because of something that happened in the subject or something like that. Okay, you got a bad marks in one test, whatever it is, there's can be certain reasons for that, for you to not like a subject. Okay, so for you have to know all the features of the subject, everything about the subject to make a clear or criteria based decision. Okay, so for that we have come up with this program, which is called as DSAT program, Diksha Scholastic Aptitude Test. Okay, so what it does, it enables the student to make the right career choice: science with maths, without maths, commerce, arts, whatever you want to choose. Okay, again, for students who are very clear with them, let's say they want to do only engineering or they want to do only medicals, okay, then bacha, this program will help you understand your competency level for JEE, for NEET and for KSAT. Okay, means where you stand in the preparation and how can you get better and be ahead in the competition. So you get to know all of this after you enroll in this program, after you take up this program. Okay, now how does this this take place, where can you take the program? So bacha, for all of that you have to just enroll in the web page which is given over here. The link will be given in the video description. Go ahead, check the link out, enroll yourself, get in touch with our team and book a slot. Yes, you have to book a slot on Sunday, the coming Sunday, for 3 hours. Okay, so you have to go to the campus, visit for the 3 hours and take up this program. Where, sir? Offline campus of Diksha. You have to visit there, bacha. This program is conducted offline at the campuses of Diksha. Okay, so once you visit there, you have to take up this program, and how this all works out, I'll let you know at the end of the session when I'm telling you about the structure of the program. It'll make much clearer that actually this makes sense and this will actually help the students to make a right career choice. I hope this is clear. Now let me get back to solving the questions to help you revise the topics probability and mode. Okay, so what is that, bacha? Compute the mode for the following frequency distribution. Okay, let's do that, bacha. CBSE AI paper 2020, the question was asked. Let's quickly solve it. Okay, so mode, right, we're looking to find. Formula we know. So for mode we have the formula as, if you remember, it was given like this: L plus H times of F1 minus F0 divided by twice of F1 minus F0 minus F2. Okay, so we have to figure out for what is the first thing we have to figure out? The modal class, sir. The modal class, sir. The modal class, bacha. Great. What's the modal class? Please have a look. The modal class will be given by, have a look, highest frequency, right? So frequency highest is over here. Okay, so 17 will be the highest frequencies of modal classes. 12 to 16. 12 to 16 is the modal class. Okay, great, sir. Now once I get the modal class, what can I find from here? The L value is 12. The frequency is simply 17. F1 is 17. The class size is 4, sir. The class size is 4. Have a look. 0 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 12. Everywhere it is 4 only, na? Class size is 4. What about F0, bacha? F0 is the frequency before the modal class. Okay, so this is 9. And F2 will be after the modal class, so 12. Chali, let's look at the formula we can apply over here to get the mode value. It will be given by 12 plus the L is the 12, right? 12 plus 4 times of what I have, 17 minus 9 divided by twice of 17. How much is that? 34 minus 9 minus 12. Okay, have a look. 12 plus 4 times of 7, okay, 8, right? 8, so 1 second, bacha. This is 8, so divided by 34 minus 19, right? 34 minus, no, 21. 34 minus 21, right? 12 by 9 is 21. Okay, let's just quickly solve this. 12 plus 4 times of 8 by 3 we get over here, and we get here simply, okay, 4 minus 1 is 3, and this is 13. Correct, bacha. 12 plus 32 by 13. Okay, let's do the division over here. We can do it over here only. So we can do it like this: 13 and 32. So 13 2s are 26. Okay, we get here 6, bacha. Okay, now we get a decimal point. 13 4s are, right? 52. That's more than enough, I think. Yeah, 12.25 2.4. Okay, we can write this as 14.4. Sir, 14.4 is the mode value. Okay, if you want, you can write this another term also. It'll come as 6. Okay, this will be what much difference will be 8 now here. So 8 will make 80. 12, 13. Okay, no, it's 13, right? Okay, yeah. So I can take, yeah. So, yeah, correct. So 46 is right. So 14.46 is the right value. Not sure, do the division. If you're not sure about this, do the calculation of dividing 32 by 13. You get the answer as 14.46 as mode. If you get a different answer, let me know in the comment section. I hope you are not. If I have made any mistake calculation, let me know that as well. But the answer is coming as 14.46 for the question number 2, where you have to find the mode. We got the modal class as 12 to 16. Yeah, 12 to 16. I wrote it as plus now. It is 12 to bacha, not plus. 12 to 16. Okay, looks still as plus. I'll just make that change. 12 to 16 bacha is the modal class, not plus. Okay, have a look. Moving on to question number 3. For an event E, a P plus P bar, what does that mean? Probability of the event to occur and for the event not to occur is Q. We know this properly. So P plus P bar, we just learned, is always what is always 1, sir. For event to occur and for event to not occur is always 1. The probability is always 1. Okay, together, which means Q value is simply 1. Okay, this Q value is simply 1. Then the value of Q square minus 4. Q square minus 4. What it means? 1 square minus 4. What it means? Minus 3. So answer is option number A, sir. Option number A, bacha. This is a question from CBSE 2024 paper. Have a look. The value of Q square minus 4 is simply minus 3. Have a look. Question number 3 is done. Question number 4. A box contains cards numbered 3579, numbered 3579, 3537. A card is drawn at random from the box. Find the probability that the number on the drawn card is prime number. So in that sequence that they've given, 3579, it's an arithmetic sequence, right? 3579, the common difference is always 2, odd number from 3 to 37. Okay, let's have a look. So great. 3, 5, 7, 9, 35 and 37. Okay, so what is the common difference? Which common difference is 2, first term is 3 and the last term an is 37, hai na? We can find this n value from here, which the formula, nth term formula, a plus n minus 1 times of d. So 37 equals to a is what bacha? 3 plus n minus 1 times of 2. T is what, sir? 2. Okay, bring it over here. So 37 minus 3 equals to n minus 1 times 2. 34, this value is 34 over here. Divide this by making 2 on this side, equals to n minus 1. This is coming as 17. I get 17 plus 1 equals to n. So n is equals to 18. So the total number of outcomes is what? Total number of sample spaces we have, that is 18. Okay, we are looking for what? Probability that the number on the drawn card is prime numbers. So let's look for prime numbers between here to here. From 3, so first prime number is 3 only. Next is 5, 7, we can also take that as prime number. 9 we can't take. 11 is there, 13 is there, 15 is not there, 17 is there, 19 is there. Okay, 21 is not there, 22 is not there, 23 is there. Okay, 25 not there, 27 not there, 29 is there. We have 31 as well. Okay, 33 no, 35 no, 37 as well. That's it. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is what, bacha? These are the favorable outcomes. What is that? Prime numbers, right? They are prime numbers between 3 and 37. Okay, chaliye. So we write here number of favorable outcomes is how much, sir? It's simply 11. Just we just added, no? 339 plus 2 is 11. So number of favorable outcome is what, sir? 11. Great, bacha. What are we looking for? Probability of getting a prime number is going to be what, bacha? 11 by 18. Number of favorable outcome, which is 11, divided by total number of outcome, which is 18, sir. So what is the answer? Have a look, bacha. It is going to be 11 by 18. I hope this is clear. A very good question asked in CBSE March 2013 paper. I hope this is clear. Chali. So now this concludes the session, bacha. I have an announcement for you. Have a look. Again, I said the announcement already been made. As I said, I'll tell you about the structure of the program. What is the program structure? So 3 hours you have to spend on the coming Sunday, or the Sundays, that is, you can come take on this week as well, but if you are not free this week, you can take next week as well. So Sundays only the program is conducted at our offline campuses of Diksha. So what we do in this 3 hours is, first hour will be a lecture. So we teach you a concept, okay? After this 1 hour, where you can ask your doubts as well, second hour will be, bacha, your aptitude test. You have to write a test based upon what you have learned. That's the biggest part. You never get this unique, test or this program available right now. This is only available with us, okay? You learn something, then you write a test, okay? The last part is very, very important. You go for the evaluation and counseling. Means we evaluate your paper, and then you can sit back with us, with your parents, and ask all of your doubts. And we'll also let you know the approach of yours to problem solving, what could have been done better, where you have done very good job, okay? Whatever is needs to be corrected, or whatever you're doing is fantastic, then we'll let you know that as well, that you're on a right track to get your goal, okay? Now, so if you're having other queries in your mind about your career plans, subject, or whatever it is, so whatever is your chances of getting something, so you want to ask a question, series of questions, list down all the questions at a place. Write all these questions at one place, or at one piece of paper. Bring that paper to the question paper that you have made from your side to the campus, and ask all these doubts that you have with our team of experts, which is made up of, again, counselors and faculty team members. So you can ask all the query, bacha, and I'm very sure that when you're leaving the campus, you'll be very, very satisfied with all the questions that you've asked and all the answers that you got, okay? Again, if you want to join us for the preparation of 11th and 12th, for whatever stream that you have chosen, you get a good scholarship based upon what the test you've written in the second hour. So whatever test you've written, on that you get a scholarship, okay, in your admissions. So if you are here, make a decision, make a good decision. Don't waste your time. Don't lose 2-3 years of your time in taking a wrong stream for yourself, okay? So I hope you're gonna do that. And for any other details you need, you can put let's say you're not able to join through the link or something, it's not working out, don't worry. Just put your query in the comment section of this video. We'll get back to you. We'll certainly help you out with that to help you get this DSAT program. I hope this is clear. So I hope all of you will take it and visit the campus on Sunday. So with this, bacha, I'm ending the session today, okay? So this actually concludes our revision, our work that we had for this 10th series. There are more videos coming up, okay? There are more interesting things which is coming up to help you out with your preparation, or everything that you need for this, for the boards that you have, bacha. Again, whatever you need from our side, let us know in the comment section, okay? We'll be here to help you in any way that we can. Okay, surely that's a promise from our side. Now, with this, I know you will be working a lot. We have done all the chapters in detail. We have done the lectures, we have done the PYQs, the mocks, the revisions. We have done all that. Why that we have done, the bacha? And we have done in shorter videos. Why? Because you don't have time to watch 10 hours or 6 hours video, right? So we are giving you 40 minutes video that you can study every day. That's how we structure the whole program. Okay, so I hope you have planned your work like that. I hope you have revised everything. Anything you need to do, please go ahead, check the playlist out and watch that particular session, solve that particular PYQs. Everything that you need to do is available to you for free, so make use of that. Okay, so with this, I hope you're ready for the mock test. We'll see you in the mock test. Till then, I'll take a leave. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.